Hey, what's up guys? This is my bike check. My name is Mark Green. First things first will be the pedals. These are Primo Stricker pedals, plastic. Don't really like the metal ones. Shitty. DK Social cranks. Love the cranks. Best cranks out there. No other fucking crank beats these cranks. Profiles are shitty. Bottom bracket United. United's a shit. Haro Forum light frame, painted black, shitty job. Kink stock pivotal post. The DK pivotal seat, best seat, sexy seat, lovable seat. Toyota Street Block tire, 2.15. I want to go 2.2s, but don't really got the cha-ching because I'm a broke black man. Haro conversion, back wheel. Pretty good back wheel, hasn't had it for a while. KMC cool chain. It's a good ass chain other than a half link. It's not half link, but still good. Fit, sprocket. Came up from a buddy of mine's bike. Now to the front end. Haro ALB front wheel. You know, it may be cheap, but it's good. Haro's the shit. Snafu Malcolm front tire, 2.15. That is the shit. Loved it when I got it brand new. Diatech V-Cup headset.